Are those bothersome wrinkles in your carpet driving you?
Crazy.
Then why not? Let the Carpet Man in Perth renew your carpet's beauty and extend its lifespan. My name is Ricky, owner and operator. With over 30 years of experience, Carpet Man Perth offers expert power stretching, smoothing out those ripples and stretching them right out of your carpet. Also, enhancing the appearance of your home. Plus, they are extremely dangerous, especially for the elderly. Using specialised equipment, Carpet Man will stretch your carpet back into place, leaving it looking flawless. Plus, all our stretching work is fully insured and comes with a lifetime warranty. Get a free instant quote today. Simply send us your room sizes, photos and suburb and let Carpet Man take care of the rest. We also can recommend experienced carpet cleaning professionals on the board of Carpet Cleaners Australia, offering you the service to take advantage of getting your carpet cleaned and stretched on the same day. Don't let those ripples become a tripping hazard. Contact Carpet Man Perth at 0416 430306. Expert guidance and a renewed carpet you'll love. Visit carpetmanperth.com.au for more details.